very good morning to all the students of class 2nd. Dear student, today we will study the 17th chapter of social science named as Weather and Seasons. Dear student, this chapter we will study from our book, Our Land, Our World. So let's begin with the chapter. Dear student, here I am sharing my screen with you, which will help you to understand the chapter. Dear students, in the beginning of chapter, you should know what are the learning objectives of the chapter. So, in this chapter, you will learn about weather and you will also learn about the seasons. So, let's begin with the first learning objective, that is weather. Very first, what is weather? मौसम क्या होता है? So here I am marking it. Conditions of air around the earth is called weather. What is weather? Condition of air around the earth is called weather. The sun, cloud, rain and wind makes the weather. Dear student, this is very important question. Who makes the weather? So the answer is the sun, clouds, rain and wind makes the weather. Weather is hot or cold, cloudy or sunny, wet or dry, windy or calm. So this is the pictorial part of weather. Weather keeps changing. Weather conditions remaining nearly same for months is called season. So again, this is very important question. What is season? So the answer is weather conditions remaining nearly same for month is called season. So this is very important that you should know. There are 3 seasons in a year. साल में कितने सीजन होते हैं बच्चों? साल में 3 सीजन होते हैं. Let's discuss it. The first one is summer season. गर्मी का मौसम. Weather is in summer is sunny, hot and dry. कैसा होता है? बहुत गर्म होता है और सूखा होता है. Sometimes hot and fast wind blow, which are called loo. So again, this is very important question. What is loo? So the answer is sometime in the summer season, hot and fast wind blow, which are called loo. जो गर्मी के सीजन में गर्म हवाएं चलती हैं, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? लू कहते हैं. We cannot stand in the hot sun. We need shade. हमें गर्मी से बचने के लिए किसकी जरूरत होती है? छाया की जरूरत होती है. तो समर सीजन क्या होता है? समर सीजन में बहुत गर्म होता है, ड्राई होता है और जिसमें बहुत तेज से गर्म हवाएं चलती हैं, जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? लू कहते हैं. We use a fan or a cooler to keep us cool. So again, this is very important question. What we use to keep us cool in the summer season? So the answer is, I am marking it. We use a fan or a cooler to keep us cool. We wear light cotton cloths. We feel more thirsty. We like to have juices many times. तो बच्चों, गर्मी में आपको क्या होता है? बहुत बार जूस पीने का मन करता है. और आपको क्या होता है? कैसे कपड़े हम यूज करते हैं गर्मियों में? लाइट कलर के कपड़े हम लोग यूज करते हैं. So this is all about summer season and this is the pictorial part of the summer season. in my screen. This is the pictorial part. बच्चे क्या है, गर्मी से बचने के लिए देखिए स्विमिंग कर रहे हैं, स्विमिंग पूल पे हैं. अंदर विंडो के अंदर देखिए क्या है, पंखे चल रहे हैं जिससे जो हमें ठंडा रहने में हेल्प करते हैं. कुछ बच्चे हैं जो आइसक्रीम खा रहे हैं जिससे कि उन्हें गर्मी ना लगे. So this is all about the summer weather. The second season is rainy season, which is also called monsoon. Mostly clouds cover the sky. Sometimes fast wind blow. Rains are there. Then it is cloudy, windy and wet weather. क्या होता है rainy season में? बादल होते हैं, बहुत तेज हवाएं चलती हैं और फिर बारिश होती है. We use a raincoat or an umbrella to protect us from rain. किस चीज का यूज करते हैं हम बारिश से बचने के लिए? छाते का यूज करते हैं या फिर रेनकोट का यूज करते हैं. This is again very important question. What we use to keep us dry in the rainy season? So we use a raincoat or an umbrella to protect us from rain. We float paper boat in water. क्या करते हैं हम? बारिश के पानी जो इकट्ठा हो जाता है उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, अपनी कागज की नाव बनाकर उसमें फ्लोट करते हैं. So this is all about rainy season. Now the third one is winter season. ठंडों का समय. It is very cold. विंटर सीजन में क्या होता है, बहुत ठंड होती है. We sit under the sun. हम क्या करते हैं, सन के नीचे बैठते हैं. We like to sit near the fire और heater. हमें आग के आसपास बैठना और गर्म चीजों के आसपास बैठना अच्छा लगता है. We put on thick woolen. हम क्या पहनते हैं, वुलन कपड़े पहनते हैं. So again this is very important question. When we put thick woolen clothes, or in which weather we put thick woolen cloths? So the answer is in the winter weather we put on thick woolen cloths. We like to take tea or coffee in this weather. So again this is very important question. When we like to take tea or coffee? So the answer is in the winter weather we like to take tea or coffee. As I am again marking it, we like to take tea or coffee in winter weather. We put on thick woolen cloths. My screen, I am highlighting it. This is the picture of winter weather. So, dear student, this is all about the chapter 17, weather and season. Dear student, let's have a quick revision what you have learned in this chapter. Very first, you have learned about weather. What is weather? Condition of air around the earth is called weather. What is weather? Condition of air around the earth is called weather. जो हवा की कंडीशन होती है अर्थ में वही क्या होता है, वेदर होता है. The sun, cloud, rain and wind makes the weather. Who makes the weather? The sun, cloud, rain and wind makes a wind make the weather. Weather is hot, weather can cold, weather can cloudy, weather can sunny, wet or dry. So this is the pictorial part of weathers. As you can see in my screen, the fourth one is windy weather, picture of windy weather. This is the picture of rains weather. This is the picture of cloudy weather and this is the sunshine weather. Weather keeps changing. मौसम क्या होते हैं, बदलते रहते हैं. Weather conditions remaining nearly same for month is called season. What is season? Weather conditions remaining nearly same for month is called season. There are 3 seasons in a year. कितने season होते हैं साल में? 3 सीजन होते हैं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाउ मेनी सीजन्स आर इन अ ईयर? देयर आर 3 seasons in a year. So let's discuss the first one. First one is summer season. तो summer season में क्या होता है? As I have already discussed, weather in summer is sunny, hot and dry. कैसा होता है? बहुत गर्म होता है, सूखा होता है. Sometime hot and fast wind blow, which are called loo. लू क्या होती है? गर्म हवाएं होती हैं, उन्हें हम लू कहते हैं. We cannot stand in the hot sun. We need shade. क्या जरूरत होती है? हमें छाया की जरूरत होती है. We use a fan or a cooler to keep us cool. We wear light cotton cloths. कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं हम? लाइट कपड़े, हल्के कपड़े पहनते हैं. We feel more thirsty. हमें प्यास भी ज्यादा लगती है समर सीजन में. We like to have juices many times. हमें क्या होता है? बहुत बार जूस पीने का भी मन होता है, because मौसम बहुत ही ड्राई होता है. So this is all about summer season. The second one is rainy season or monsoon. Mostly clouds cover the sky. आसमान में क्लाउड होते हैं जिससे बारिश होती है और बहुत तेज हवाएं भी चलती हैं. We use a raincoat or an umbrella to protect us from the rain. So what you use to protect us from the rain? We use a raincoat or an umbrella to protect us from rain. As you can see in my screen, this is the pictorial part of a rainy weather. The third one is winter season. This is the pictorial part of winter season, as you can see in my screen. So winter season is very cold. We sit under the sun. We like to sit near fire or a heater. We put on thick woolen cloths. So winter weather में आप क्या करते हैं बच्चों? आप गर्म कपड़े पहनते हैं जिससे आपको गर्मी मिलती है. We like to take tea or coffee in a winter season. आप क्या करते हैं? क्या लेना पसंद करते हैं विंटर सीजन में? चाय या कॉफी लेना आपको विंटर सीजन में अच्छा लगता है. क्यों अच्छा लगता है? क्योंकि वो आपको गर्मी देते हैं, आपके अंदर हीट देते हैं. So this is all about chapter 17. Weather and season. So dear student, we will discuss 18th chapter of social science in our next lecture. Thank you.